Hey, it's Siri with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting you this morning. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your kitchen. So we'll start right above the wall oven. You currently have like some metal baking dishes, and we can go ahead and remove those and add a divider shelf. And this has 6 dividers, 7 sections, and you can stand up your cookie sheets, cutting boards, platters, baking pans, whatever you need. And then they're 3 inches apart. So if you have something that's 4 inches, you could take one of the dividers out. And then you still can put your chargers above because you'll have a shelf that you can use for access to a storage. To the right of that wall oven, you have a center post. We'll remove it and we'll do a 2.5-inch height glide out that will go all the way around. It will fully extend, and then above it, another 2.5 inch. And just as a reminder, we keep the shelves in on the top so that there's support. So when you pull this out and you have 100 pounds of weight, they're not going to flip over on you. The center cabinet, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. Cut the center post, do a 2.5-inch and a 2.5-inch. This far right cabinet, you have liquor. We'll do a 5-inch so that there's support around your liquor. And we'll go ahead and raise this shelf so that you have access to get all your bottles underneath, and you still have a full depth glide out here. Then we'll walk over to the left of your 4 drawers. Once again, you have a center post. We'll cut it and take it away, and we'll do a bottom 2.5-inch and a top. This is where you have your blenders and you have the glass jars on top of it. So you can always put them on next to it, and you can either leave the rice cooker here, or you can move it underneath your cooktop. And then to the right of the dish sink, you have a 2.5-inch and a 2.5-inch. And to the right of the dishwasher, we'll do a 2.5-inch on the bottom and a 2.5-inch on the top, and we'll cut that center post. And then your island area, this is where you wanted spices, so we'll go ahead and attach the door. It'll be a little bit more narrow because you have some pipes down here, and we'll do a 7-inch. And you can store all your olive oil bottles, vinegars, whatever you need. And then we'll go ahead and do a 2.5-inch and a 2.5-inch, and you lay your spices down. So when you're standing here cooking, you can see all your spices. And then underneath the cooktop, we'll do a 2.5-inch, and we'll cut around the electrical and the gas line. You'll have like a little U shape right here, and then another 2.5-inch. Normally people have a drawer here, like a fake front, and it takes up a lot of room. You're lucky because you have a lot of height. So if you wanted to raise this up a little, we can, and you can also store taller items and then put all your pots and pans here. And you could even do a third one if you wanted to, but I priced you for 2. So that is your Shelf Genie project. I priced out the Classic Raid, which is the lifetime warranty. Just remember, all of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. And if you write with a check, I'm offering you free installation right now. And if you use a check, we can take another discount off, and it will be your delivery fee. But that would have to be with the check. And all of that will be in an email for you. All right? Take care. And it was nice meeting you. And I look forward to working with you. Bye-bye.